Hi, I'm Lee Muller from Current Fusion. We're a Gauteng-based company that specializes in premium solar and battery solutions for residential and commercial customers around the country. Today I'd like to tell you about the next generation in battery technology which Enphase is introducing in South Africa. The Enphase energy system is a smart home energy management system which allows you to make use of, save and sell your own power. It is based on a few main components: the Enphase microinverters, which are mounted behind each solar panel and convert DC to AC energy. All of the components connect together using AC cables and are quick and easy to install. The energy storage system allows for self-consumption, grid feed-in and backup modes. They can also run in off-grid mode and black start from the sun if the batteries are completely drained. Once installed, the entire energy storage system is software-based, configurable via the Customer Enlighten app. At the heart of the Enphase energy system is the 5P battery, which is a revolutionary product. It is made up of a lithium iron phosphate cells integrated with 6 Enphase microinverters, which allow for an entirely AC input and output. The first is safety. With no battery DC cables and no high voltage DC solar runs, the Enphase system is standardized on safer AC low voltage. Last but not least, the battery system comes with a generous 15-year warranty of 6,000 cycles and is backed by a US listed company. With these features, in my opinion, it's the best residential battery you can buy in South Africa, which is why I recommend it for my top customers.